Ready to bring your imagination to life and create your own animated masterpiece? Let's kick things off by opening Adobe Animate. Once you're in, create a new project and select Action Script 30 for a standard animation setting now. Set your stage. Think about your dimensions. You can customize the width and height of your animation, as well as the frames per second. Typically 24 to create the illusion of movement. The fun starts now. Go wild. The timeline is your best friend. It's where all the magic happens, or, the frames. You create your first frame. Add a drawing. Want to draw a character? Select the brush tool, a simple shape. Go for one of the shape tools, then click Insert on the timeline panel. Add a new keyframe and slightly change or adjust your drawing. This is frame by frame animation. Imagine each frame as a single drawing. Keep in mind, using different layers is extremely important for your animation. They really do all the heavy lifting. Each of your elements can exist on its own separate layer. For instance, your background, a character, and also sound effects can each be on their own, and they will not interfere with each other. This helps keep everything organized and very easy to edit later. To add a layer, click the plus icon in the timeline. Adding sound and exporting is almost there. You can incorporate simple sound effects to enhance your animation. Import your audio file, place it where you like on the timeline, and experiment to see what fits. When your animation is completely done, export your animation as either a video file or a GIF. That's it. And that's your basic introduction to making 2D animations in Adobe Animate. Practice makes perfect, Keep experimenting with the timeline, layers, and different drawing tools. You'll be creating animated worlds faster than ever. Happy animating. And don't forget, the only limit is your imagination.